Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can write Java code or how you can set up Java in Visual Studio Code. For this we have to download Visual Studio Code. At first here you can see I have downloaded it and installed it. This is the interface. So to download the Visual Studio Code you have to go to the browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Go for the download option here and select the operating system according to your operating system. So my operating system is Windows. Here you can see, so I'll click here and it will actually start downloading. So I have already downloaded it and I have already installed it. I'm assuming that you can install it. After the installation, when you open Visual Studio Code, you will find an interface like this. You can see I am in the download page, right? Here you can see overview. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Java here. You can see Java and then get started. And here you can see install the coding pack for Java Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here Windows. And it will start downloading the Java coding pack. So we have downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. Here double click on this file. So here is the interface. Now just select this one and then go for next, then install. So it will actually download JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. It will take some time. So I'm going to pause the video, and when the download will be complete and installation will be complete, I will be back. Alright, so you have installed it. Now finish it. And here you can see launch it. Okay, so remove the previous one and save. Okay, so this is the interface. Remove welcome. Now so we have to install this code runner. So we have already installed it. You have to install it. That's it. And we don't need anything here. Now I have to create a Java project. Here we just have to click here and you have to click here no build tool. Then select the drive where you actually want to write Java. Here you can see I have already a folder my Java, so I actually select the project location and then I have to press enter. All right, now I have to open the folder or directory. Here you can see my Java, so I will select the folder and the folder will be opened here. So these are Java file. Here you can see arraylist.java and everything. So now let's say it is the file. I'm actually checking the logical operator, so I'm going to actually run the file. So we just have to click here run Java, then we have to select allow access. That's it, and here is the output you can see in the terminal. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.